Hello everyone. Okay, I'm gonna do lesson 2. Lesson. Or you can do lesson, like learn. I've seen that too. Lesson 2. Okay? Take off my jewelry. That's one thing about signing that you should know is when you are using sign language to communicate with someone else, you should take off. Like I had this bracelet on, look at that with all those charms, right? This is just too much. So take that off. Maybe, no, I guess my earrings are probably okay. But when I interpret, I used to wear black. Why? Because it's easier for the deaf person to focus on me. Okay, I'll bring this back and try to make myself a little bigger. Okay, again, this light is behind me. It's just because I love to sit in this chair. It's probably my favorite chair, but that weird light is behind me when I do, so apologize. Okay, today it says that our YouTube lesson is today, the 23rd. And then next week will be the 27th that I will do a class Zoom call with you guys, okay? On the 27th. So anyway, okay. I kind of jumped ahead, I realize, a little bit the last time, okay? I know one of you told me, so much information. Okay, I will go a little bit, teach you a little bit slower today, hopefully, okay? So you can pick up the information from me. Okay, where did you learn sign language? I know that's important to ask. Okay, usually a deaf person, they will ask you this. When they meet you, they'll ask you, learn to sign. Where? Okay, maybe they will put the word where at the beginning of the sentence because you are hearing and they know who they are communicating with, a hearing person. So they will try to kind of accommodate you, help you, okay? Make it easier. But the real way of signing that sentence is to put your WH word at the end of the sentence, okay? So it's like this. Okay, now I'm gonna hold that expression. You see my eyebrows are down. I'll take off my glasses for a minute, even though I can't see myself. You can see me, right? Your eyebrows are down. You kind of look like you're puzzled or asking a question. Okay, oh, here's another bracelet. I'm a bracelet wearer. I love them, but you don't need that many. I'm gonna leave this blue one on. I mean, one bracelet is no big deal when you're communicating with a deaf person, okay? Okay, so let's say you are at a get-together, a group of people that is gathered. Maybe a party. Do you remember party? I told you one hand is yellow, and both hands are play or party. Oh, well, let's really use party for the P's, okay? P, remember, purple, but both hands is party. Okay, so you go to a party and you meet a deaf person. Well, lucky for you and lucky for that person, I guess, both of you, you can sign. So you start to introduce yourself. Okay, what do you do when you introduce yourself? You say, hi. Okay, you can do the formal sign, hi. Remember, it's a B kind of by your head, by your right eye. If you're left-handed, it's over your left eye, over here. Okay, hi. Or it's kind of down, it's not really a salute, but a down here, over here. Hi, my name, oops, is Mary Beth. Okay, and then they'll introduce themselves, and they'll probably say, nice to meet you. Okay, to meet you, they say. And you say, same here. Okay, you can either do it in front of you, same, me too, or if you go back and forth between you and the other person, it means me too. Oops, sorry, I gotta close my message real quick. Means me too. Okay, I don't know if you realized that before. So you don't have to sign me too, or you don't have to point to them. Okay, just go back and forth. The thumb and the middle finger, thumb and the pointy finger don't really indicate like a to, or it's not TWO, but it's TOO, me too. Okay. All right, so you introduce yourselves, and then they'll probably ask you, oh, you know sign, how? Or you learn sign where? Okay, there's a few signs that mean sign language. They might sign sign. And by the way, that can go in or it can go out. Okay, it's just one's language. Okay, or maybe the sign. This also means sentence or language. Okay, remember it's a concept. You're not going to think sign sentence. And maybe you think that, but that's not what an interpreter would say. That means sign language. Okay, that is so think of signs as concepts. That will probably help you instead of codes for words. It's not a word. Okay, it's not a code for a word. So you learn sign language where? And then you can tell them what's an answer for that. I learn in a class. Ready? Let's do that again. I learn, and remember you don't have to go all the way to your forehead. If I turn, you see that I'm not. If you want to, I suppose you can, but I am telling you, most deaf people and people who are out there that use sign language don't. Okay? I learn in a class, just sign class. It's 2 C's. Class. Okay? Okay, let's skip down to the last thing that's supposed to be part of this lesson is the days of the week. And then I'll come back here and do another video because I'm starting to lose power on my phone. Okay, there's an M for Monday. You just make a little circle. And T, Tuesday. W, Wednesday. Some people will sign this outward. And what I mean by that is it's your palm that's out. Okay, your palm of your hand is facing outward. Wednesday. It's really up to you, I think. And up to the rule is it's not really up to you unless you're talking with someone that is less educated about sign language than you are. But here's the rule, okay? If you are communicating with a deaf person that uses sign language, you should follow their way. That means tendency, their way of signing, okay? They are the experts, not you, because you're hearing. So that kind of makes you behind them a little bit. Even if you know what you're doing, you are second, okay? That is something that I have learned over the course of the time, okay? You don't want to argue with a deaf person, okay? Just go ahead with whatever they sign. That is what you should copy. Follow them, okay? All right, so anyway, we're on Wednesday. See, it's just a W. Wednesday, right? Thursday's an H. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Remember, you can go palm out if you want. Saturday. And Sunday. Okay, there's 2 ways to do this. I'll teach you both. First one is like this. Okay, it's just up and down, up and down. You can think of like the windows in a church. Okay, the second way, it's just like this. You're making it like you're washing them or something almost. Sunday. Okay. I'll see you guys on, let's see, next Wednesday, on Wednesday, right? Wednesday the 27th. I'll see you again for a Zoom call so we can talk about lesson 2. Okay, I'll post some more. I know this is not all complete, but it's been 10 minutes and I need a break. Okay, talk to you later.